everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury and welcome to my channel. It's my daily vlog, so whatever I'm up to is what you're gonna see right here. And today, it's Christmas Day. So I'm in my onesie. Today I am Sully, see? And I am going to be cooking dinner in my Sully onesie. So I am planning on making a turkey chicken meatloaf with mushrooms. It's an adapted recipe. The original recipe is from Bon Appetit, but I've made some changes to make it fit my diet. So that is what we are gonna do today. So, to the kitchen. Here is the ingredient lineup. We have some shallots. I'm gonna be using this Tuscan Sunset Spice Blend, which what this contains is basil, oregano, red bell pepper, garlic, thyme, fennel, black pepper, and anise. Then we need some eggs, some mushrooms, olive oil, oat flour, chicken broth, and this is the turkey and the chicken. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my oat flour and I'm going to combine it in a bowl with some chicken stock, and I'm going to let that sit for a little bit and absorb, and then I'm going to start mixing in all of the other ingredients. Mix that all together. Now we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. So now that this has sit for a little bit, wow, that's a tongue twister, it sit for a little bit. While I was resting, I prepped the mushrooms and the shallots. So I minced the shallots and I sliced the mushrooms. And we're actually going to be adding these right in. So those go in there. There's actually more mushrooms, so those go in. And now we're also going to add in the eggs. Needs a tablespoon of the seasoning. Then we need 2 teaspoons of salt. Actually, over the sink. 1, 2, and some pepper. Okay, now we're gonna mix this all together. Whoops. Now's the part where we're gonna get messy. I'm gonna put this spatula away because at this point it's not gonna be super effective. And we're gonna get in there with our hands with the turkey and chicken meat. I just find doing it by hand is the easiest way to incorporate everything. Okay, 1 package of turkey. 1 package of chicken. Let's get in there. We're just gonna scrunch it all up and squeeze it together. That is the goal here. We also need to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now we have everything really well blended. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go wash my hands because, ew. Yeah, I told you this was the messy part. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Then I'm going to take a little olive oil and I'm gonna grease a bread pan. And once the bread pan is greased, I'm going to scoop this mixture of the meat into that loaf pan. So I find the easiest way to grease a pan is using a paper towel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour just a little dollop of the olive oil right into the pan. Just a little bit, right? I'm gonna take a paper towel and I'm gonna bunch it up and I'm just gonna rub this oil all over. We want to make sure we get those corners because we don't want it to stick. Now I have a big old spoon and I'm going to start scooping the meat mixture into this pan. So I have all of that meat mixture right in there. So this is gonna go into the oven now. It's a 350-degree oven, and we're gonna cook it to temperature, meaning I'm gonna use a meat thermometer, and when this is 170 degrees internal temperature, that's when it comes out. Here is Din Din. So this is the meatloaf right here, and we also have some garlic, roast garlic purple sweet potato mash, and some green beans almondine. And there's Roy.
Hey.
Let's try Christmas dinner. It came out really good. It came out really, really good.
These are really crunchy.
Yeah. In a good way?
Yeah. Yeah, I like them crunchy.
So, dinner is delicious. We are going to enjoy this. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
And have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. And, you know, until tomorrow, stay inspired by. Take care.